take pictures of me. Scare her again. Make her laugh. She's like, stop trying to make me laugh. Hi, baby. Did you bump your head?
Bite her. Bite her.
Molly, we found the man.
The camera calmed her down. Boo! Boo!
See, she gets quiet when this is here. And I pull it away.
There was something that he did with you that could link it to the other.
I'm gonna buy her camera on her birthday.
You're crazy. Buy her a baby camera.
Uh-huh.
You know, it could be anything, something small that Tommy didn't even realize meant it.
Look at Oliver trying to turn around. Look at him, look at him.
Smell.
He's like, I want out of here. Everyone's ignoring me now. Oh no. We're going back. He looks like he has a camera now. Mommy, look. 6. Mommy, look. It's videoing. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, sorry. Well, she's gonna help him because she's trying to get the video.